The noise you're hearing is Nico eating, so sorry about that. Hello everyone, welcome back to my corner. Welcome to my kitchen. You've never been here before. I wanted to do something different today. I wanted to show you the way I make my smoothie. So someone asked me what was my recipe, so I figured let's just film it and show them what I do. So for this recipe, you're gonna need a blender, some orange juice, some fruits, a bowl, some sugar, a measuring spoon or whatever, and a cup. That's it. So it's super simple. That's the way I like it. I can do it in the morning and go to work after. I don't lose too much time. So this is perfect. So let's start. So the first thing I do is I'm gonna take the fruits and I'm gonna do 1.5 cups. Now I bought some strawberries. I bought a mix of strawberries, sour cherries, and rhubarb. And I bought a mix of strawberries, mangoes, and peaches. And what I do is that I just mix them all. So I take 1 peach, 1 mango, strawberry, bunch of mangoes. This bag is empty, so I'm just gonna empty it in it. There you go. And I'm gonna finish with some cherries, rhubarb, strawberries. Everything is completely ice cold, so it was in the freezer. So what I do, I put it in the bowl, and then I do half the cup. Everything is pretty much like approximatively. So that's pretty much half a cup. And what I will do is I'm gonna put this a little bit in the microwave just because my blender is not super strong. So sometimes I am left with fruits that are completely intact. So I'm just gonna put this in the microwave a couple of seconds, not too much. So I say defrost 20 seconds. So some of them are now a little bit squishy, so I can put them, but not all of them. This one is okay. This one is completely hard. This one is soft. This one is soft. Okay, let's put it a little bit more. I don't want them to be completely defrosted. Just want them to be a little bit more maneuverable, I guess, so that my blender doesn't break. I don't have like a heavy duty blender. If you have one, I'm sure you don't have to do this part. See, now it's kind of blendable, so that's what I want. Everything is pretty good. Put that aside. Okay, so now you have your fruits. What I will do, I'm gonna put some orange juice all the way over here, so on top of the fruits. Well, not exactly on the top of the fruit, just about. You can also put an orange, like if you have one. Just like that. Just like that. Okay? Now, what I do is I take some sugar. I take 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can put maple syrup or any kind of syrup that you want. I prefer sugar. I don't know, the syrup gives it a taste that I don't like, so I prefer the sugar. So now this here, and we blend. You can check the consistency. You can add some orange juice if you don't like it. I think everything is pretty mixed. So this is what I have. It's pretty good. I'm gonna put it in a big glass. You can do this recipe with fresh fruits. You could add bananas, you can add any type of fruits that you like. The reason I use freezed fruits is because I don't like when you use fresh fruits, you're gonna have some seeds, and sometimes there's a lot of seeds. As when they are freeze, I guess they cook with the freezing, so there's not a lot of seeds in your smoothie. So I think it's preferable. I don't like having a bunch of seeds in my mouth. I tend to like, so I really don't like it. So this is the result. So let's taste this. It's perfect. Like, I didn't put too much orange juice. I didn't put too much sugar. Everything is perfect. It's super cold, it's heavy, it's gonna be super like lemony, and you're gonna get super much energy. Everything I drink that, it feels like taking coffee. So when you don't want to take a coffee, you can just do this and go on with your day. So it's super healthy. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell me in the comments if you like this type of videos, if you would like me to do some other recipe for you. I can show you a lot of stuff. I cook a lot, so tell me in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.